Hey everyone! Welcome back to another English shadowing practice video. Today, we are going to practice speaking English together. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin. Good morning, everyone. Today is a beautiful day. I wake up early in the morning. The weather feels fresh and calm. I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my arms and smile. I feel thankful for a new day. I get out of bed. I make my bed neatly. Then I walk to the window. The sun is shining brightly. Birds are singing outside. I take a deep breath. I feel peaceful and happy. Every morning is a new chance. I want to improve myself every day. I believe practice can change my life. So I start my day with energy.
Now about brushing and getting ready. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cold water. The cold water wakes me up. Then I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. Positive thinking is important. I tell myself I can do it. I wear clean clothes. Now I am ready for the day. Now about breakfast. My mother is preparing breakfast. The kitchen smells delicious. I help set the table. We sit together and eat. I drink a cup of tea. I also eat eggs and bread. Healthy food gives us energy. My family talks about the day. We laugh and enjoy the moment. Breakfast with family feels warm and peaceful. Now it's my study time. After breakfast, I start studying. I open my notebook. I pick up my pen. Today, I want to practice English. English is an important skill. I want to speak English fluently. At first, speaking was difficult. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes I felt nervous. But I never stopped practicing. Now I feel more confident. I learn new words every day. I also practice pronunciation. Listening is very important. Speaking is also important. Practice makes improvement. I enjoy learning step by step. Now, learning through YouTube.
I open YouTube on my phone. I watch English videos carefully. I listen to native speakers. I repeat their sentences. This method is called shadowing. Shadowing improves pronunciation. It also improves fluency. At first, native speakers sounded very fast. But now I understand more. Daily practice really helps. I pause the video and repeat. Now walking in the city. In the afternoon, I go outside. The streets are busy. Cars are moving everywhere. People are walking quickly. Shops are open. Children are playing nearby. I enjoy watching city life. Every person has a different story. Some people are working. Some people are studying. Some people are shopping. Life keeps moving forward. I continue walking slowly. I enjoy the fresh air. Now, meeting a friend. I meet my friend near a tea shop. We shake hands and smile. My friend asks, "How are you?" I say, "I am doing great." We talk about studies. We also talk about future goals. My friend wants to become an engineer. I also have big dreams. We motivate each other. Good friends give positive energy. We laugh together. Then we drink tea. The tea is hot and tasty. We enjoy our conversation. Now, thinking about the future. At night, I sit quietly. I think about my future. I have many dreams. I want to learn new skills. I want to improve every day. Sometimes success takes time. But hard work always matters. Small steps create big results. Consistency is powerful. I remind myself to stay focused. I should never give up. Every challenge teaches something new. Every mistake becomes a lesson. Confidence grows with practice. I believe in myself. I know I can achieve my goals. Now, long shadowing practice section. Repeat after me. Practice 1. I am improving my English every day. I practice speaking with confidence. I enjoy learning new things. My future will be bright.
I believe in hard work. Practice 2. Every day is a new opportunity. I stay focused on my goals. I learn from my mistakes. Practice helps me become better. I never stop learning.
Practice Section 3. Good communication is very important. I want to speak clearly and naturally. I listen carefully to native speakers. I repeat sentences again and again. Slow practice leads to fast improvement. Practice Section 4. I enjoy talking with people. I want to become more confident. English helps me connect with the world. I practice daily without excuses. Consistency creates success. Practice Section 5. I stay positive during difficult times. Challenges make me stronger. I believe in my abilities. I am learning step by step. I am proud of my progress.
Excellent! You are doing great! Keep going. Now we practice a small conversation. Pause and repeat after me. What are you doing these days? These days, I am focusing on my studies and improving my English. How do you practice English every day? I watch videos, listen to podcasts, and practice shadowing. Do you enjoy learning English? Yes, I really enjoy it because it helps me communicate with people. What is your biggest goal? My biggest goal is to speak English fluently and become successful. That sounds amazing. Thank you. I will continue working hard.
Wow, well done. You are becoming familiar with English. Keep moving forward and keep practicing. Now, small conversation practice at a coffee shop. Hey, what would you like to order? I would like a cup of coffee and a sandwich, please. Sure. Would you like anything else? Yes, I also want a bottle of water. No problem. Please wait for a few minutes. Thank you. Your order is ready. Everything smells delicious. Enjoy your meal. Thank you so much.
Great job, everyone. Thank you for practicing English with me today. Remember, fluency comes with daily practice. Do not worry about mistakes. Every time you listen and repeat, your English becomes stronger. Keep shadowing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. You are improving more than you think. If you enjoyed this shadowing practice, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily English practice videos. See you in the next shadowing practice video. Until then, stay happy, stay confident, and keep learning English every day. Goodbye and take care.